Hi, I'm Rachel. This is Unboxing Packaging. Today we have Olivia Burton from London, a popular jewelry brand specially famous for its watches. It's generally for brands to invest 1 to 3% of its total revenue into packaging. But Olivia Burton breaks this rule. After today's video, you will be surprised how much they invest in packaging. This is a custom printed box, probably used as a shipping box, although they put a carrier bag outside to protect it. It's in a foldable style. Which means we only need to fold it when we need it. Imagine for a large business how much space all these packaging items is going to take. And space is about money, so foldable box really helps us in saving money. Inside the box, I find a bubble layer of reminding information stickers on it. Under it, I find 2 boxes and a paper bag. Both boxes are actually wrapped by paper covers with a GoFo logo in the center and flower patterns all around it. The gift box is in rigid box style with a GoFo logo in the center of the lid. The big box is for watch packaging, and the small box is for jewelry packaging. Inside the big box, there is a custom paper tray fixed there. The watch is placed at the corner with a soft pillow to hold it. Other slots are for small gifts and cards. So along with the watches, Olivia Burton is giving small gifts like this colored pencil pack and these postcards, which you can print colors on it. There is even a small card inviting consumers to join online games about printing, probably creating a group where consumers can share anything about their brand. I think it's kind of like APM's packaging philosophy, giving unexpected extra gifts to win consumers' satisfaction. Inside the small box is a jewelry bag made of soft velvet. It's an envelope shape with ribbons for tying. The logo is also GoFo as paper box, very simple but gorgeous. Inside the pouch is glossy satin fabric with a big contrast to the outside velvet fabric. There is a divider in the pouch also. The jewelry is attached to a small paper envelope with a rose GoFo logo on it. Let's come back to the paper bag. With similar design of paper box, there's a GoFo logo in the middle and matte surface. A small hole has been added between the handles, so we can tie the ribbons like this and send it as a gift. Now it's our budget time to help you to decide which items you can adapt into your packaging plan. First, we talk about foldable shipping box, made of 1000 GSM corrugated paper with custom logo, 10 by 10 by 5 inches, size will be around $1.5 for 1000 pieces, and 7.5 by 5 by 5 inches will be around $1 for 1000 pieces. For gift boxes with paper covers, bigger size in 9 by 9 by 3 inches, a whole set including paper cover, rigid box, and inner paper tray will be around $3.5 for 500 sets, and $2.5 for 3000 sets. Smaller size in 3.5 by 3.5 by 1.5 inches with only paper box cover and box will be $2 for 500 pieces and $1.5 for 3000 sets. For the velvet pouch with custom GoFo logo, size in 3 by 3 inches, envelope shape, double-sided with different fabric, and a divider, cost will be $1.5 for 500 pieces MOQ and $1 for 3000 pieces. Last item for analyzers is paper bag, size in 12 by 9.5 by 4 inches, made of 250 GSM matte laminated paper, 4-color printing with GoFo logo. 500 pieces MOQ is about $1.5 and 3000 pieces is about 80 cents. That's all for today's unboxing packaging. Any question? Leave comment at info@thekinglabels.com. See you next time!